Are you familiar with the game What Are the Odds?
No.
Can you pick a number 1 or 2?
No.
All right, I picked 1, so that means I'm gonna have to do it.
If you pull that fire alarm, I will have you arrested.
Why arrested?
Because you are playing around in the store. Nope, nope.
I'm trying to tell you that it's
Nope.
not. Look, if you just move your arm, it's not real.
Hi, I have a person here wanting to pull a fire alarm. Well, he was trying to pull the fire alarm
but
in
if
the
you
store,
look-
and he's filming
Can you
with
look?
his friend.
Can I just grab it and we go? Look. Uh-oh.
Go.
I didn't expect it to actually pull.